Comrades, we can promise you now, we will never work in a government that includes the DA. We will never work in a government that includes Freedom Front Plus. Those are the people who killed our own people. When we say this is the enemy, if you don't know how the enemy looks like, just look at DA, just look at Freedom Front Plus. Those are the enemies of progress, and we will never work with them. The ANC, if it wants us to vote with them, because they no longer have numbers, they must change the DA out of the executive, then we can consider working together. We need to work in this government, work for you. We must work for Twe. We must work for all the victims of Omotoso. The EFF, once the GNU collapsed, and they say the EFF goes into cabinet, we arrest Omotoso afresh and build a proper case, because Omotoso cannot do to our children what he did and still be free on our streets. I advise Omotoso, if it's still early, please, they gave you bail, just run and run very fast. Because if the EFF finds you, you are going to jail. Even that principal who is being handled differently compared to other suspects, the principal that raped Kwekwe must know that we are coming for him, we are going to arrest him, and we are going to arrest all those who are raping our children. How do you rape a 7-year-old child if you are normal in your head? How did you even qualify to be a principal for that matter? Because it means it is not for the first time he's doing what he did to this little girl. Fighters, we call upon all those victims of that principal to come out. If they were scared, they must now come out so that he can be exposed. Everybody must know it's not good to work with children. We want that rape list to be published, because when we listen to the minister, they say no, they are looking at the issues of privacy. What privacy are you talking about? The day that bastard raped, that is the day he gave away his own privacy. Because the court is a public court. The name is already public. We just don't know where to find it. That's why we are saying put it on the website so that this person can be known all over the world. When they Google your name, it must just say rapist. Babe ba idiele le alarm so. Eba Google lina la o kwer ping. Re tseba re skata one. We need to permanently deal with these people who are victimizing our children. We must protect our children at all costs, because if we can't protect our children, then we must forget about the future of South Africa. These children are going to inherit this country. But if they are being raped, if they are being killed, they will not have any country to inherit. Fighters, we want to make sure that police work in South Africa. And police must work like Mkhwanazi. We don't want police who work as if their role is to distribute roses. It's not a job of a policeman to distribute roses. These criminals who commit crimes, violent crimes, and they are armed, police must meet them fire by fire. They must not give them chance. Once you shoot at an innocent person, you must know you are next, because the law of South Africa does not allow anyone to kill any other person for whatever reason. So we need to take power back into the hands of the police. There is too much crime here in Gauteng. I don't understand why the commissioner of police in Gauteng is not working the same way as the commissioner of KZN. Why is he not working like the commissioner of Western Cape? Because we've got crime. And crime here in Gauteng, in Johannesburg, need police who are going to use maximum force when they are confronted by those criminals who are heavily armed. So we need to make a call to the police in Gauteng. Please defend the lives of ordinary people.